And I really love the way this looks. I'm definitely going to be keeping this hair on for a few days because it looks so cute and girly. The lace go all the way back, y'all. So you could do, it come with a side part. You could do a middle part. Now, if you don't wear your hair pushed back and you do it at the part on the side, all you have to do is get some type of adhesive and glue the side down, and this will be glueless. Done with my hair. I'm cleaning up my mess. So look at the back. I love the cut. Love the lace on this unit.